Welcome back to Pirates Fans TV. Spethu Jobeke unjani futhi?
Ngiyaphila wena.
I'm good. 3-0 win to Orlando Pirates. How did you see the game?
First of all, igame yangamhlanje bekhombisile ukuthi small boys can't be compared to bigger boys. So ngamhlanje amajita basitshengisile ukuthi we are one of the best teams in this country, one of the best teams in the continent. And also ngifuna compliment nama supporter baphume in numbers. We showed some love for the boys and the boys needed our support most of the time. And well done to the boys, but delivered 3 points when it needed the most. And igame ngamhlanje we outclassed the Kaizer Chiefs today in all departments because manga checka amagoals wakorile. We composed ourselves and every time Mashai Chiefs in transition we always look like a side that's scoring more, that wanted to score more. I think his score overall could have been 6 or 5 looking at the chances that we've created. Inside laga Munyani, inside laga McCarthy, it was completely exposed. Because Umuremi, we all know what his pizza can expose defensive Chiefs. So it Umuremi is that he didn't do that much, but what he did so far is that Ustreche defensive Chiefs because they know very well Guti Umunyane, not this guy Umakati, they're overlapping too much. And each Chiefs mistake abayenzile is ukuthi they overwork Umabuwe every time Matolipo has to drop abo extra number 6 or sometimes I drop abo 8 abo number 10 akreatela la machitala. So Pirates mabayibona lento leyo babona ukuthi okay sharp, if you can neutralize this guy, these people are not going to play. Yabo. And abombatha they stop that guy namhlanje. And kutshengisile vele ukuthi Chiefs they always depend on one player all the time with Baba created and carry to Owadu ngamhlanje because the technical team yakhe bayibonile ukuthi okay sharp, this guy Mabuwe is making the Chiefs yenza Chiefs ukuthi function in the middle and the Chiefs every time it looks like they're gonna react after we scored the first goal. Unfortunately they never created enough chances, they never threatened the Pirates throughout the first half. The Pirates they were punishing them in the transition every time agathola iball uyawathola la machita labo abomremi apolice. Now this guy Umbutuma, uyabathola la machita la Umbutuma, nothing much from him today, but ngamhlanje into ayenza Umbutuma ngamhlanje is that win ama aerial balls against Umikel, because dala ngasho ukuthi I even emphasized this before ukuthi Umikel mamnikeza itrack esifana bomakhopa kabombutuma uyaguquka very easy. Same goes now McCarthy. I even emphasized this I think 2 weeks ago ukuthi uMcCarthy makazohlangana nomremi or apolice freeway lomchita lo, he'll be used as a freeway. Ngamhlanje nakho kuveliwe ukuthi lomchita lo beka freeway because every time maba interchange ama pass Pirates Chiefs had no answer to our passes. Bebangazi ukuthi okay ibhola sizolibaka kuphi, but anticipate ukuthi we're gonna always rely to our police, rely to Rele, but besibahlala ngama pockets yabo. And coming to the second half, ucoach makayenza ama support, I think ama-players they added i-value to i-game. Beba-variety game yabo ngikhuluma nama-midfield. UMakgopa ungena kwakhe beka-variety game yakhe whereby like ukuthi okay ngizodonsa lo mchita lo uKwinika. Mangidonsa uKwinika, this guy really uyangena ngasepokotheni and Ogumamosha are running in behind the defensive Chiefs. That's what Umakgopa did because Umakgopa he dragged the defensive Chiefs and intimidated this guy uMcCarthy, who was the freeway njoba ngisho bekaba intimidator and uHotho naye ngifuna ukumcomplimenta ngamhlanje ukuthi every run behind i-defensive Chiefs beka libala akhoza i-backline Chiefs so many problems yabo. And uRele naye overall naye ngimphakamisela izandla, but i-man of the match ngamnikeza uSibelebele. And also uTalent Mbatha ngamhlanje ungidlalela umshita. He reminds me of this guy Sergio Busquets. Doyadlala ngakhona Mbatha, he reminds me of Sergio. Every time makaphethe he composes himself. Uyazi ukuthi ama passes wakhe uzothola abo apolice, uyabathola abo Mremi, uyabathola abo Makaula. Sometimes unokushaya back pass mangana option. And every time makaphethe ball, this guy he composes himself. Whereas this guy, Chiefs, they always give him so much time and space, and you can't give that type of a player time and space. Uzo punish with one pass, one through ball. Uzo punish ngale ndlela.
So do you think you win today is set a record ukuthi we going for this league?
To be honest, I think he win namhlanje. It's not just a win, it's just a statement. we just to tell them ukuthi we are not we are coming for the league, and we showed ukuthi when pressure mounts on us, we can deliver when it matters the most. So I think even it was just a statement because we knew very ukuthi igame we were outplaying the Chiefs because the score could have been worse. And I'm not sure goal numbers ukuthi whether it was the offside or because in everyone's view, everyone was like, that's a clear goal. Yeah. That was a clear goal because I feel like ukuthi the score would have been heavier. But overall, even namhlanje was just a statement for me.
Even namhlanje was just a statement, Mapagania. Bopa Ndemnyama, Bopa!